Always I try wonder like why so much artists, like the American based artists them, always like the younger ones, always a drop out from a drug overdose. Like why? Vybz Kartel is way, way bigger than Chris Brown. Boom, we're back again, Well, I read the podcast, is it? Yeah, man, people. About a week now when I drop nothing, Yeah, man, but you don't know the thing, Don't know the thing. More while people get busy and personal things I deal with still, you see me? Which me not supposed to there so I find no excuse, You understand? Yeah, me not supposed to find no excuse, but life are life and things are going. And everything we can forward in the media and share, you see me? But yeah, man, we there. Just want to give thanks for life, health, strength. New month, September. You understand? We have like what? Much more months in the year, We have roughly 3 months or some weeks left in a year. And I just I wish all the best for everybody. You see me? And a good fourth quarter. So yeah, a whole heap of things been a going in the media, and we have a whole heap of things to catch up on. But me not think me can fit everything in that one episode, You see me? But this morning, I wake up and I see a headline. The rapper name, Rich Homie Quan. Yeah. And say Rich Homie Quan drop out at age 34. And them say he's a suspect drug overdose. But no, Rich Homie Quan man was singing song about some type of way. Yeah man, that song there, hold on there, man. Hold on. Go see what I go on YouTube because I know that song there is a big, big hit for me, Rich Homie Quan. Alright. See the type of way the 309 million views 11 years ago. And the next song on name Flex 195 million views. Yeah man, so all who don't know him come from Atlanta. So Atlanta based rapper. Which him do him thing. In a film look time when him get him run, him do him thing. And him go out with himself, you see me? And in a them time there, him a one of the hottest rapper too. You see me? So yeah, he get him run and him do him thing. But it's so sad for no say him pass at such a young age because 34 is very, very young. You see me? I'm my age group that me and him in the same age group. And me young. I don't consider myself old. You see me? And it's very sad. And what even make it worse when they say a drug overdose. You see me? Let me read the headline where I read the story. Cause I think at TMZ, me suppose it? Yeah, TMZ, me see it pan. So it's a TMZ, big up TMZ for that one. TMZ obtained the 911 call from Rich Homie Quan's death. And his girlfriend tell the dispatcher the rapper is not breathing and does not have a heartbeat. She also revealed that he was unresponsive on a couch in their home when she called 911 and started foaming at the mouth when she tried to move him. Rich Homie Quan, a platinum selling rapper from Atlanta, is dead. Rich Homie Quan died Thursday in his Atlanta home according to his family and a rep for the Fulton County morgue. It's very, very sad. Very, very, very sad. And I want to say, another first rapper and another first person died from a drug overdose. But always I try wonder like why so much artists, like the American based artists them, always like the younger ones, always a drop out from a drug overdose. Like why? But at the end of the day, you see, addiction is a serious thing, Addiction is a serious thing. Like you have people who have drug addiction, alcohol addiction, gambling addiction. Like there's so many addictions, and trust me, it's very serious. And what me can advise all of the people when I watch this, I just I say, yo, like, if you don't have an addiction, try seek help. Professional help to be exact. Because, yo, it's very sad when you wake up and find out, say, yo, one of your loved one I got through certain things. And then again, sometimes I'm not even addiction either. You know? Sometimes people I got through some things in life where you don't even know, like, because them get up every day and them show up. Like, them get up every day and them show up. Them show up for work, them show up for them family, them show up for everybody. But at the end of the day, nobody no know, say, yo, them I go through certain things. You get me? And every time people I go feel comfortable and safe, like, to talk about certain things when I got through in a life. You see me? And people, just check on your loved ones. Check on them. Even if them say, yo, them good, check on them. Annoy them. You get me? Yeah, man. Annoy them, man. Try, like, dig into them skin. Try get it out of them. You understand? Because more why people now go just open up just so about certain things. Because we always feel like, say, yo, we can deal with certain situations on our own. And the fact of the matter is, we can't. And sometimes we need help. We need a listening ear more while, you see me? Yeah, so it's very, very sad. And rest in peace. Condolences to the family, the loved ones, friends, everybody. The whole, like, music fraternity. Yeah, man, I know say on the last a great one. But all of the people them where I got through addiction, depression, seek help. Professional help. Seek it. You get me? So yeah, over to the dancehall scene, you know. Cause you don't know, you know, we talk about everything, you know. We talk about everything. Everything. Entertainment. Everything was Quan. You see me? So, Freedom Street, Tier 2 tickets. Saturday, September 7, 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Alright. So, Tier 2 ticket prices. Like, the prices them go up. How much now? Much percentage? I don't know how much percentage is, you know, but so the bleachers gone up to 150. Grandstand 400. Infield 500. Cycle track 12,500 tax inclusive. Center stage 2,000. And all of them prices there are USD prices. Zine. And in our previous video, I did read out everything under each one of them prices, yeah. So, I'm going to read them again. So, the bleachers now, which are for 150. Bleachers seats are located around the venue and opposite the grandstand. Bleacher patrons have designated entry and exit into the venue. Patrons will have a good view of the stage and accessibility to restrooms. Grandstand. Grandstand seats are located behind cycle track. Grandstand patrons have designated entry and exit into the venue. Grandstand patrons are located in close proximity to bars, food court, and restrooms with seats for patrons' comfort. Infield, which are $500. Infield is located behind center stage. This grass standing area has a great view of the stage. Infield patrons have designated ease of entry and exit into the venue. Infield patrons are located in close proximity to bars, food court, and restrooms. Cycle track, 12,500, which are 2,500 US dollar gone on that now, you know. You see me? 2,500. All right. Cycle track pads are located parallel to the running track. This area has a great view of the stage. Cycle track patrons have designated ease of entry and exit into the venue. The Psychotrack Pods entitles you to 8 tickets and a bottle package inclusive of 6 premium bottles, a hostess, and a security. Psychotrack continued. These luxury pods are situated close to the food courts, bars, and restrooms. To reserve and purchase your pod in the Psychotrack, please email freedomstreet.corporatesales@gmail.com. Center Stage, 2000 US. Center Stage is located closest to the stage. This area is situated directly in front of the stage and behind the media area, providing patrons with the closest view of the stage. Center Stage patrons will have designated ease of entry and exit into the venue. This area is drink inclusive and in close proximity to bars and restrooms. Limited quantities available at Tier 2 prices for a limited time only. December 31st, 2024, National Stadium, Kingston, Jamaica. Freedom Street prices. So people, as you can see, the prices them gone up, which that was expected. That was expected. Zin? And to be honest, again, I feel like the prices them still reasonable. You don't know what tier 3 are gonna be like, or tier 4, or however they want to put it. You see me? But I feel like them still in a range where the people them just have to buy what them can afford. Not put on no basket on you can't reach it. Zin? So the bleachers still affordable. At $25 them put on that. Yeah, and as I say, you can stop bash the people them. I say, yo, Kartel not charge nothing. You understand? Down Sound and TJ Records them I keep the event and a them a charge what them want charge. Kartel a get paid regardless if rain want come and wash out the event. Kartel still a walk away with the money at the end of the night or the end of the day. So Kartel I know Kartel a keep nothing. Kartel as you can see no. Remember, inside one contract. You see me? So that means say I Down Sound them, Joe them, I pay him to perform or to be present on stage. So you can stop say yo Kartel a charge the people them this and Kartel a try make back every dollar we lose and no Kartel a keep no show people. Kartel not keep no show. You see me? Kartel no response for no set up in a response for nothing at all. Him charge him a charge or them offer him when them offer him or them come to some agreement on based on whatever, if a percentage or whatever. But Kartel not keep no show. Down Sound Records, TJ Records, and them a keep the show. You understand? And me personally feel like the prices them still in a good range. And people only can stop compare Kartel to Chris Brown right now. Because like everything when I read and every video when I watch, people must say, oh, Chris Brown a bigger artist and Kartel can't perform like Chris Brown and Chris Brown ticket them the cheaper and this and yaddy and whatever. Stop the comparison. In Jamaica, Vybz Kartel is way bigger than Chris Brown. Worldwide, we know say Chris Brown is a goat. Whatever Chris Brown accomplished out of music, Vybz Kartel not reach them levels there yet. And to be honest, it might not reach them levels there. Ever. So, me now go compare the two of them. In Jamaica, Vybz Kartel bigger than Chris Brown. Yeah. So when you can stop the comparison now. So anything the people them want to charge for Vybz Kartel concert, them can charge it. Loud the people and make them charge what they want to charge. If you can't afford it, wait for the next concert. Remember, I Down Sound I keep the event, So you can know say yo next year July, some fest, just look out for Vybz Kartel. And Kartel done tell them say yo how much other islands him a go forward. So maybe it even cheaper for some of uno fly go them island the way more go perform. You don't know. You see me? So yeah man, this is just the first show. So if you can't afford the first show and afford to be a part of history, just keep on ass quiet and wait for the next show them. That's all I can say. Because most of these people, like the reason why enough of them people are even want to be at the concert is just to be a part of history. Just to say, yo, me did dead when he come out of prison for him first stage show, him first concert. That's the reason why enough people are going. Because tell me now, Bleacher, you can't see the man way down there. So I want to look up, sit down and see so. You can't go see who they're on stage. When you can't know somebody they're on stage. You look how far up in the stands the bleachers there. You understand what I say? So yeah, you just know say yo, you not pay just to be a part of history. Just today I see him space when history I make. That's all I not pay for, you know? Nothing else. That's all you not pay for. So if you don't care about being a part of history, just sit out that one, man. Wait out this one. The rest of show them a forward up very, very shortly after the one. Yeah, man. So I think it's fair. I think it's fair. And I'm not going to bash nobody. You see, if I can't afford it, I just keep my ass quiet and just go about my business.